God, I never me do that one day. All the while we are doing them things say it is easy. Eh? Things say it is easy though. Now you have to give me my props. Give me my props.
Should be the hardest one.
The hardest one, I'll give you have a screw the wall because it's taller than me. Hey guys, so today I'm assisting my neighbor by setting up a bathroom sink. Yeah, because them things so female can do nothing, you know. So we're gonna just prove it to him, say yo, we can do everything that man do and do it better. Yeah, so we call it the kitchen sink, kitchen cupboard, bathroom cupboard, and sink in a one. And we get this from Tools Hardware. We don't have no instructions, so you know, I have to go use my brain. And yeah, so we have screws and we have to figure out which part the screws them are go. And everything by myself because they never given the instruction. But I'm gonna do it all by myself. I'm gonna show you that, you know, we can do everything that men do and do it better. Yeah. So stay tuned for that. I know you see that my head look a mess as always. But as I say, we never plan to do no video. So don't judge me, okay? So I couldn't go and do my hair or anything. Just look on the video and watch the video. Don't watch my hairstyle, okay? Okay? Okay. And I just want to explain my video. I didn't plan to video, but because I say, you know, I did all of that in my day, why not show you guys? And it wasn't planned, it was just something just spontaneous. We went and we bought it yesterday. Yeah, we went and we bought it yesterday, and he was saying that I was the one going to put it up, but you know, I did not take it lightly. I was like, whatever. But knowing the person that I am, I always want to learn new stuff and I always want to try stuff. And I am very technical. I love to work with my hands. So it was actually a very fun project for me to do today. And I didn't doubt myself. I knew it was pretty easy because all of the pieces was there and everything was there. And once you see the picture of how everything is supposed to be set up, I knew I could do it. But I thought they would have gave us some instructions and all that. But no instruction never come in the box. So you know you have to use a head to know which screw to go there or where or wherever. But eventually I figured it out. The only one part that I didn't that I missed was the mirror, because they gave us some little thing that you put the mirror onto, and I didn't know what it was for, but in the long run I used silicone and glued the mirror to the wall, so it worked out anyway. So that was that. But yeah, I just want to show you guys, how handy I can get, and I just like to learn new stuff. And I have not yet started to sew my curtains and the cushion, because as you can see, I plan to do it today, but as you can see, I had to do that today. Yesterday I had to go onto the road to buy some more material from my couch, because I have not finished yet, but I'm almost through. Let me insert a pic right here so you can see the process. Yes, but soon done, soon done. But yeah, just tell me what you think. Hit me up in the comments down below and let me know if you think I did well. Guys, remember to stay tuned for the giveaway. And as I said, let me know what kind of phone I have, digital or line. And we got to road today, so I'm going to buy the phone cards, not knowing that the place locked already, because I think all the corner shop like at 4 or 5 something like that, and me gonna like probably 10 minutes late. So probably tomorrow I'm gonna buy the stuff and I can come to you live in the evening tomorrow. Not sure, but between tomorrow and Thursday. Yeah. So let me know in the comments what you think about everything that goes on, in Nessa's world. And thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys for the additional subscribe. I love you guys. And stay tuned. And see you soon. Yeah. What?
You ain't saying anything.
Because me at work, what you want to say? I'm busy working. You think I give me a jerk?
You're supposed to tell them what you're doing.
So right now, I am making a hole in the wall so I can put on the glass, right? And the hole was too small, so I had to rhyme it out. As a monitor. And I'm going to put this stuff in there so that the nail can go in there. I don't have a hammer, so this is what I'm using. Alright, so if you go somewhere, you understand, because it's like, oh, it's then something they want to look bad enough. It's alright. And guys, tomorrow I'm going to start on my thing, right? Oh yeah, I'm supposed to go on the road. Oh my god, I'm supposed to go on the road because my other sister wants a box of Jamaican goodies, so I'm planning to do some shopping for her. I need to go and get battery from my Fire TV remote, and I need to go and get you guys some credit. Yeah, so let's see if I can make it live tomorrow evening. If it's not tomorrow, it is Thursday, I promise you guys, okay? But I'll let you know exactly when, so you guys can be prepared. So guys, this is the only thing he did because it's taller than me and I couldn't reach out there. So we just want to show you, say he only let me do that part, right? Because I don't want to be lying on the camera. Because it's taller than me and I cannot reach it. And if you direct him out for the push, man, push. I remember to rev the whole. What you call it?
Yes, man. Here.
Mind a job. Because we don't love. But as you see everything else up, soon show you the final result. So guys, imagine now. We asked him for help if we want something up there. About 1 hour now in upon the ones. Not trying to put it out. Tell me now. Tell me now. Is it a screw? That's stressing.
It's just because you give me all this one.
We can't have this one. Only because I'm short. Only because we're short.
And this damn thing is line up.
Why? It a screw? It's like you're up on a relay.
Here's a different screw, not the one here.
What, you line up to it all?
And I've got more different tool, but that one not correspond.
You mean you have to go boy wider? Use it drill. Use the drill and turn it so. Turn it other way.
The thing is, get the hole line up.
And now you think we didn't do something? Think we didn't do something easy, you know?
It's not.
But you that I go bust out and that now you better screw it up and leave it same way you say, you know? That go bust out the hole.
I want different hole, not the hole.
But if you bore the hole right there, so that go bust out and go in the next one, it go too big. It will cause it problem, but you have to go put wood in it or something.
But that's what I forgot. Big hole. Like that hole. No, line up.
God, I never me do that one day. All the while we are doing them things say it is easy. Eh? Things say it is easy though. Now you have to give me my props. Give me my props.
Don't follow her. She did the hardest one.
The hardest one, I'll give you have to screw the hole because it's taller than me.
She knows that is the hardest one.
Why?
Man, always outsmart. Always outsmart, man.
Outsmart. We're just smart. We are just smart, right?
Always outsmart.
Just smart. We use our brain and not we.
Always outsmart. See, no, can't get it out.
Whee. If you need how you call it carpentry, if you need a carpentry, call Nessa, not Marty.
Not saying anything.
We can't cut it. Should I just try it out?
It ain't coming out.
Alright, let me try. Let me give you one try.
She made me look so bad. She made me look so bad. Talk to the people, Melvin. Talk to the people.
Don't you see this working? The other day I do plumbing work, so when you have gifted hands, yeah, kind of work. Nobody can tell me that fool, you know?
Me sure the one there.
It's another inside.
Hard-working lady. Sell her here now, with paint. And I finish me take the picture and tell them some me do this.
Oh, no, no, silly. Silly.
Me till I have to try it out. Mr. Guys, I'm not for sure how to jot the one there and tighten up.
We got some the cast to say, well, God, right?
guys, I'm gonna glow up the base and then me show you what Vanessa can't do anymore. Just lift it up, now just lift it up. See guys, you have to tell her how to lift it up.
You want to look up props, so you can go in. And just a disclaimer, I did 90% of the work and he helped me with 10%. Like for instance, the high part that I couldn't reach and a part where I needed 2 person because I had to hold the handle and he had to put the gel inside. So just that part. And the thing is supposed to be screwed onto the wall, but because he's waiting on the plumber to come, then that's why we haven't done that part as it. But everything is set up, okay? Okay. I cannot do it. So we don't go down. Talk true. Alright, tell the people them how Nessa do. Tell them today was a boring day in quarantine and see me go help the neighbor. Which that's sewing, which that's sew my cushion. But no, I come over here and I help him. Can you say if we never help him? God help him. If we never help him, we wouldn't be able to reach down. You wouldn't reach so far. Talk the truth with God know. No, talk the truth with God know.
I will give you a thumbs up for something. But basically she win today. Guys, she win today.
How much you give you that 10?
You're 10. You're 10. You're 10.
Alright, so that's it for Nessa's World today. If you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye.